Sunday morning, gray as stone, church doors open, but I stayed home. Couldn't bring these shaking hands into a place that calls for clean men. There's a Bible sitting by my bed, full of words I ain't living yet. And every page feels sharp somehow when you know who you are right now. Mama used to say, son, kneel when you're hurt, but pain got deeper than a wooden church. So I took my sorrow to a neon light and let a whiskey hold me through the night. Still, somewhere in the pouring rain, I hear heaven calling my name. But every time I get close enough, my own shame says, not this one. I'm a church bell without a prayer, still making noise, but nobody there. Swinging heavy in the midnight air, full of sorrow, stripped down bare. Yeah, I still ring when the hurt gets loud, but faith feels lost beneath these clouds. I'm a church bell without a prayer, just an old sound hanging there. I love wrong and I love too late, turn good hearts into things that break. And every lie I told for peace still echoes back when the world sleeps. There's a motel cross outside my room, flickering red through the cigarette fumes. And Lord, sometimes I talk to you like maybe you still listen to. I'm a church bell without a prayer, still calling out through empty air. Every note got a ghost inside, every truth I tried to hide. Yeah, I wear regret like Sunday clothes, tied where nobody knows. I'm a church bell without a prayer, still hoping somebody up there cares. You know what scares me most? It ain't dying, it's waking up one day and realizing you spent your whole life running from the only thing that could have saved you.
Trembling from the weight I bear.
maybe leave the light on there for a church bell. Without a prayer, yeah. Some souls don't stop searching, even when they're tired.